If you host your website on Hostinger, you would most likely get two domain names attached to your website. The first one is a temporary domain, and then the second one is the main domain that you have. For instance, this website I have here, it has its own domain, and it also has a temporary domain by Hostinger. So you can access the website using any of those domains. But the problem is the Hostinger domain is usually ugly and long, and it basically acts as a subdomain. So how do you remove this? So the first step is you must have connected your own domain. So this is a custom domain, and I want to remove the temporary domain from Hostinger. So you want to log into your Hostinger account and you want to come to the website list here. So under the website list, you see all of the websites you have hosted on your Hostinger. So you want to select the particular one. So every time you connect a temporary domain to a custom domain, it will be hidden under the custom domain. So this one is a custom domain already. So you want to select the particular website and you come to the three dots here. If you come to the website details here, so you come to the website details, you will see this preview website art. So this is the temporary domain from Hostinger. So as you can see, it's long and it's not memorizable, but you can see the other website domain right here. Again, before you can remove this, you need to have connected your own domain. So once you've connected it, you come here, click on the three dots under the preview domain. All right, so you can just remove this preview domain. So it has been removed. So as you can see, your domain was successfully removed. And that is how you can delete the Hostinger temporary domain from your connected or custom domain inside of Hostinger. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video and I'll see you.